wear these goggles as your eyes, and I'll fly my drone so you can see where you're going. You need to go upstairs to your room and get a toy. You ready?
Yeah. I'm on my way. Ah, the wall. Got it. Whoa. Toy. My room. It's right there. It's right there. Oh, that scared me. Oh, there's my door. Okay, what can I grab? Yeah, that's perfect. Turn backwards. Come on, Joan. Joan! Now I gotta reach my doorknob. When I step down. Whoa! Ah!
Hurry.
I'm down! I'm down!
Hurry.
I'm coming! Ah!
Okay, you gotta go upstairs, get a drink of water.
This way, Alistair. This way. See, follow the camera.
Go get a drink of water.
Walk up. Oh, Alistair, just those stairs, the stairs. Here's your coat. Oh, this way. Yeah, there you go. There. I'll get her a drink.
Don't fall. So now you gotta spin in circles. Keep spinning. Keep spinning. Walk to the slide. Go up the ladder and then down the slide.
Come on, Asher. Wrong way. Turn. No. Forward. Don't know. Here to the ladder. Now climb up it.
I hit the ladder.
Togo, out of the way. Togo's in the way. Now walk back. Quick before the battery dies.
I have to go back and forth.
Okay. I made it. Stop.
Yeah.